And another one going the wrong way, down a one-way street. Another one with no lights. Nice high-vis gear, but no lights. One with no lights. Fucking idiot. Nice high-vis outfit, but cycling on the pavement with no lights on. Another one there with no lights. There's no lights on there. Illegal motorbike with no lights on. Another one here with no lights on. And there's another one with no lights. There's another one there with no lights. Another one with no lights on. There's one there with no lights. Jump in the lights. Jump in the lights.
Go, 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 go. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Bend the corner, bend the corner. Oh, fucking hell, man. Come so quick, move it. Oh, fucking hell. You don't understand. I want to go around them over to the curb. Get there.
Oh, you fucking mad. I hope you get hit by a bus, you brain dead fucking idiot. Another one there with no lights. Why do they do it? In these conditions, they cycle around with no lights. Bloody morons. And there's another truck with no lights on. And there's another one there with no lights. Look. Another one there with no lights. There's another one there with no lights, and now he's on the pavement. And there's another one with no lights. Another one there with no lights. And there's another one with no lights. There's another one there with no lights. Another one with no lights. And there's another one there with no lights. Yep, there's one there with no lights. Why do they do it? There's one there with no lights on. Tagging. Another one with no lights. Another one with no lights.